Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to send messages via Google Assistant. In the beginning enter Google App and go to More. Enter Settings and Google Assistant. Enter Voice Match and make sure that this function is enabled. Now you can simply say, "Hey Google, send message to Lily." Send message to Lily. Send message to Lily.
Alright, what's the message?
Hello, how are you?
Sending your message saying hello, how are you?
If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.